Dear friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Piece of Peace. Welcome to a quick travel into Onam, Kerala's vibrant harvest festival. But today, we are exploring its hidden psychological superpowers. Onam isn't just about flowers and feasts. It's a mental health booster backed by real psychological concepts. Let us break it down. First, the legend. Onam celebrates King Mahabali's return, a benevolent ruler banished to the underworld but allowed yearly visits by Lord Vishnu. Psychologically, this story taps into positive psychology. It reminds us of an ideal past of equality and prosperity, fostering hope and resilience. Research from cross cultural psychology shows such myths build emotional strength, reducing anxiety by evoking a sense of belonging and nostalgia for better times. As per studies on cultural festivals like those in the Journal of Positive Psychology, recalling harmonious eras boosts subjective well being by up to 20%. Onam literally rewires your brain for optimism. Now, rituals like Pukalam, those stunning floral rangolis, aren't just pretty. Creating them promotes mindfulness, a core CBT technique for stress relief. Layering flowers daily encourages present moment focus, lowering cortisol. A study in Frontiers in Psychology on Cultural Resources highlights how such aesthetic activities process unfinished emotions, preventing subclinical issues from escalating. Plus, the Onam Sadhya feast, sharing 25 plus vegetarian dishes on banana leaves, strengthens social bonds. Social psychology research, including from the UK, taking part survey, links community meals to reduced loneliness and higher happiness. Festivals like Onam can increase social cohesion by 15 to 30%, combating isolation in our fast paced lives. Dances like Pulikali and Tiruvadira, they are endorphin machines. Physical activity in groups releases the dopamine, fighting depression. Harvard studies on festivals show they enhance self esteem through self expression. And the boat race, they build teamwork and achievement, aligning with Maslow's hierarchy, fulfilling belonging needs and peak mental health. Overall, Onam embodies eudaimonic well being, not just pleasure, but purpose and growth. As per existential psychology, it helps process life's unfinished gestalts through joy and reflection. In the world of stress, Onam teaches humility from Mahabali's sacrifice, suppressing ego from harmony, as noted in Satya Sai discourses on renunciation. Research from SUT Hospital on Onam's psychological significance emphasizes how it restores trust and relationships, countering modern societal distress. Celebrated by all faiths in Kerala, it promotes unity in diversity, reducing prejudice per social identity theory. So, this one embrace the psychological magic. Make a pukalam, share a sadhya, dance like a tiger. It could transform your mental health. Drop a like if you are celebrating, comment your favorite ritual, and subscribe for more culture beat mind insights. Onam Asham Sagal. Thank you very much. Stay joyful.